Oh, welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you so much for the kind words and comments and all that. Still dealing with problems, and I did make this channel specifically for the ups and the downs of my business, but also there are personal things that come into your life that do affect your actual just normal day-to-day life and your business life. And I'm hoping that these videos show you transparency and being honest in showing you when the days we don't have good sales. Because if you go back a month and a half ago, you'll see sales of $2,000 in a day. Things are just tough right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just going through a slump, as you know. But the nice comments are really, they make me feel good, and I really appreciate you all being there for me and letting me know that, keep going. I kind of made a decision yesterday on a couple things, but basically just kind of being by myself for a little bit. I feel like I always tend to go to my friends when I need advice about everything, and some things I still need advice for, but the comforting part, I think I need to sit in my own, stuff for a little while and figure out what I need to do. Like I said, I really can't get into too much depth. I can't really talk about a lot of stuff, but it's business and relationships and all that. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm not stopping this channel. I am still going. I am still working. I'm just trying to figure out how to realign myself to work hard again, and diligently, and also how to scale this company, because that is what is most important to me right now, is you guys and my business, and of course my family and my friends. But I just thought maybe to start this video out, just letting you know the updates on that. I do not have an update on the attorney. All I know is that they sent over the letter saying that I'm only willing to spend $100. Not $3,000 that they were asking for, and not the $10,000 originally. So $100 is the sales that I made, and that's the amount that I am willing to give them. So hopefully I can end up getting my funds soon. I'm still not getting anything, $0. And I got rent coming up, so hopefully we can get that figured out. But anyways, guys, we'll get back to the video. I'm not sure really what I'm gonna do today. Maybe I'll do a little bit of customer orders, or I'll do a little back-end work. You guys can see what I'm gonna do, but thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys being here in the times that are tough. And I see you, so thank you very much. All right, let's get back to the video. Thank you so much for watching. I got some orders out. It's a Sunday, so orders don't even go out anyways today. I just wanted to soften the blow for tomorrow, because Monday is usually the busiest day. So got some of that out, did some back-end work on Amazon. I went to a coffee shop earlier, which you did not see, but I got a lot of Amazon back-end work done. And then what you did see on the back end was me working on advertising my wall decals and my patriotic decals, because those are my most expensive decals. And I figured, why am I not advertising them harder? Because I can get a bigger return on investment than my little decals. And then I also dropped the pricing on these cat decals from $4.95 to $2.95 because the sales volumes have plummeted. And actually mostly on all my stickers for some reason. Maybe it's just the time of the year, but I dropped it to $2.95. I've already gotten 4 sales in the last like 1 hour, which is amazing. So that's great. I also wanted to update you. I've been posting a lot of Shopify orders. I got a opportunity to create restaurant merch, and now they're selling like crazy. And so those are the sales that you're seeing on there. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And now, like in every video, we're gonna go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made.